Storyteller Episode 2. O. Henry, the Gift of the Magi. Opening. Soft piano Christmas bells, visuals of snowfall over early 1900s New York. On a cold December evening, in a tiny apartment in New York City, a young couple struggled with a simple question: how do you show love when you have nothing left to give? O. Henry's timeless classic, The Gift of the Magi, answers that question in the most beautiful, heartbreaking way. About the author O. Henry. Portrait of O. Henry, old newspaper clippings, New York streets. O. Henry, one of America's most beloved short story writers, was known for his wit, his deep understanding of ordinary people, and, of course, his unforgettable twist endings. But among his many works, The Gift of the Magi remains his most treasured story, a simple tale that captures the very essence of love. Setting the stage. Visuals: humble room, old furniture, sparse decorations. The story unfolds in a small, almost empty apartment. Christmas is approaching, joy fills the city. But inside this home, Della and Jim count pennies, stretch budgets, and hope for a miracle. They are rich in love, but painfully poor in money. The story begins Della's desperation. Visual: Della counting coins on a table. Della opens her purse and pours out everything she has saved. $1.87, months of sacrifice, for almost nothing. She wants to buy her husband Jim a Christmas gift worthy of his love, but how do you buy a treasure with coins that rattle with embarrassment? Visual: Della staring at her reflection, touching her long, beautiful hair. Della has only one asset in the world, her glorious, knee-length hair so beautiful that even the Queen of Sheba would envy it, O. Henry tells us. Della's sacrifice. Visual: Della walking into a hairdresser's shop. In a burst of courage, Della rushes out into the city and enters Madame Sofroni's shop. Hair goods of all kinds. With trembling voice, she whispers, "Will you buy my hair?" Visual: scissors cutting, Della's hair falling. Her precious hair is cut, bundled, and taken away. For $20, more than she hoped, enough to buy something truly special for Jim. The gift for Jim. Visual: shop window showing a gold watch chain. Jim's most prized possession is his gold pocket watch, an heirloom from his father and grandfather, but he wears it with an old, worn leather strap. Della finds the perfect gift: a simple, elegant, platinum fob chain, a chain worthy of the watch and the man she loves. Jim returns home. Visual: evening, Jim entering the apartment, Della nervous. Della rushes home and tries to fix her hair, now short like a schoolgirl's. She fears Jim's reaction. Will he still find her beautiful? Visual: Jim entering, shocked and silent. When Jim arrives, his face freezes, not with anger, but with a strange, unreadable expression. He has brought a gift too, and suddenly, the meaning of his silence will break your heart. Jim's sacrifice. Visual: Jim giving Della a wrapped package. Della opens Jim's gift and gasps. Close-up visual: a set of exquisitely crafted hair combs. Combs, beautiful, tortoise-shell combs with jeweled edges, the very ones she had dreamed of for months, the combs designed for long, flowing hair she no longer has. And then Jim reveals the truth: he sold his watch to buy them. The final twist: both gave everything. Visual: Della giving Jim the chain, Jim gently laughing. Della gives him the chain she bought, a chain for a watch that no longer exists. They look at each other, both empty-handed, yet richer than they have ever been. O. Henry concludes, of all who give gifts, these two were the wisest, they are the Magi. Themes and meaning. Soft candlelight visuals. Love requires sacrifice. Della and Jim's love is not measured by what they bought, but by what they gave up. True wealth is emotional, not material. They prove that the greatest gifts cannot be wrapped, they come from the heart. Irony with compassion. O. Henry's signature twist is not cruel, it highlights the beauty of selflessness. Why the story endures. Generations have cherished this tale because it reminds us of a simple truth: love becomes meaningful only when we are willing to sacrifice for it. If you like the video, please click on the like, subscribe and share buttons, hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates.